The F-150 can sound good no matter the motor, and we have the pipes to prove it. Hey everyone, I'm Sara, and this is the product rundown on the Zero FG Exhaust Suite for 2021 and newer F-150. The Zero FG exhaust is a rugged 3-inch T304L stainless steel catback configuration with a 100% straight-through design for optimal flow and a full-bodied exhaust note. Featuring AWE's proprietary patented drone-canceling solution, 180 technology, the Zero FG exhaust delivers a unique dose of refined aggression out of your F-150 without any drone at cruising speeds. Sounds good, right? We offer the Zero FG in 2 tip configurations, single side exit and dual rear exit. For the single side exit, we offer dual 4.5-inch double-walled slash-cut tips in chrome silver or diamond black for those who want their truck to sport OEM plus styling. If you're going for a more aftermarket look, we offer the dual rear exit option with 5-inch double-walled straight-cut tips, also available in chrome silver or diamond black. We even include the bolt-on hanger brackets to make it all possible. Each exhaust is 100% bolt-on, emissions-friendly, and features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Engineered, designed, and manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your F-150. For even more information or to grab one for yourself, head to awef150.com. This video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.